Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Remote Desktop and preparing credentials. Open Settings, go to System, then Remote Desktop, and toggle it on. While doing this, make sure your account has a strong password and is added to the list of allowed users, otherwise connections will fail. Next, find the device name and local IP using ipconfig in command prompt so you have the exact address to connect to. Once done, keep settings open to check network-level authentication and note the PC name. Now you configure network access and the firewall so connections reach the laptop. Open Windows Firewall settings and explicitly allow Remote Desktop for private and public profiles. This ensures packets aren't blocked. If you need access from the internet, forward TCP port 3389 on your router to the laptop's local IP. However, consider using a VPN instead or changing the default port to reduce attack surface. Make sure dynamic DNS or the routers. Finally, open the Remote Desktop client on your laptop or another machine and enter the target PC name or IP plus the user credentials. You should test a local connection first to confirm basic setup, then try the external path if you configured port forwarding or VPN. If the session won't start, verify the firewall rules, router port forwarding, network-level authentication setting, and that the user is allowed and has a password. A common quick fix is restarting the Remote Desktop service or rebooting the host machine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.